Hey everybody, this is Andy with Patterson Adjuster Training. If you've been watching the weather, you know that there are storms been popping off across the U.S. with large hail and damaging winds. So this Saturday, I'm going to do a live scoping event on this roof showing you how to scope and estimate a roof for wind and hail damage. Now that's going to be this Saturday, March 14th, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central Time. And what that's going to include is I'm going to show you how to set your ladder up. I'm going to show you how to get on the roof. I'm going to show you how to do your test squares, and then show you how to look at the roof for wind and hail damage. After we get that done, we're going to jump into Xactimate and we're going to write the estimate. Seats are limited and I don't want you to miss this training, so go ahead and sign up and get your spot reserved. Now whenever you do sign up, I'm going to send the Zoom link out the day before the training, and you'll also get the hover report for this roof. And then once the training is over, I'm going to send you the ESX file and a PDF copy of the estimate. That way if you want to use that for a macro, you'll have that in the future. So I hope to see you on this roof this Saturday, March 14th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central Time. Again, spots are limited, so go ahead and get signed up now, and I'll see you Saturday.